Hi dear friends, and a warm welcome to all my new visitors. Today on Tasty Per Kitchen, we're making something delicious, so let's get started. I'm starting with a spoon of butter in the pan. Let it melt slowly. Take your time. This is the beginning of all the good flavors. Once the butter is ready, I lay in the chicken drumsticks gently, one by one. Listen to that soft sizzle. That means we're already building the base of our dish. Now I sprinkle a little salt, a touch of black pepper. Just the basics to wake up the chicken. Then comes the magic part, the mixed spices, paprika, turmeric, curry powder, white pepper, and a hit of peri-peri seasoning. Look at that color. This is what gives the chicken its deep, rich flavor. If you could only use one spice on chicken forever, which one would you choose? Everyone has that one spice they can't live without. I take a moment to mix everything together, coating each drumstick from top to bottom. No rush. This step deserves time. The spices need to touch every side of the chicken. I give everything a slow, patient mix, making sure every drumstick gets that full flavor treatment. I lift each piece gently, turning it over, letting the spices touch every side, top, bottom, and all around. This is not a step to rush. The chicken needs time to soak in the color, to grab every bit of paprika, turmeric, curry, and pepper. When you take your time here, the seasoning doesn't just sit on the surface. It melts into the butter, wraps around the chicken, and creates that deep, rich coating we all love. You'll notice the spices starting to cling, forming a beautiful layer that promises flavor in every bite. So, slow down and enjoy this moment, because mixing is where the magic begins, and this gentle patience is what makes the dish come alive. Now I'm chopping some fresh garlic. Nice and slow, letting every clove release its natural oils. There's something special about the sound of chopping garlic. Soft, steady, almost therapeutic. I always feel like this step brings life into the kitchen. Once it's finely chopped, I add it right into the pan, letting the heat wake it up instantly. You'll see the color change. You'll smell that warm, rich aroma rising, and it just transforms the whole dish. Now I cover the pot and let it cook slowly on low heat. Low and slow is the secret to tender, juicy chicken. Let the steam do the work. Let the spices melt into the meat. After a few minutes, I remove the cover and give everything another gentle mix. You can already see the color deepening. This is the point where the chicken starts to release its own juices. Now I squeeze in some fresh lemon, just a little. The acidity brightens the spices and makes the whole dish taste alive. Mix again and cover once more to let it cook for just a few minutes. Do you like your chicken tangy or mild? I'm curious. Mix, cover, let it cook a few more minutes. Hey friends, if you're enjoying the video so far, tap that subscribe button. It helps me a lot and more recipes are coming. Let me know in the comments which country you're watching from. I truly love seeing how far my recipes travel. Next, I add a splash of soy sauce. Just enough to bring a deep, warm color to the chicken the moment that soy sauce hits the pan. You can see everything come to life. The spices darken beautifully, the sauce thickens just a little, and the aroma becomes richer, deeper, more comforting. Soy sauce doesn't just add color. It adds that perfect balance of salty, savory flavor that ties all the spices together. It melts into the butter, mixes with the lemon, and wraps around every drumstick like a glossy coat. Now it's time for the potatoes. I take big slices, thick and hearty, and place them right on top of the chicken. They're gonna cook in all those juices so they'll soak up everything, the butter, the spices, the soy sauce, every flavor we've been building. Cover the pot again and let the potatoes soften slowly. Low heat, patience, and let the kitchen fill with that beautiful smell. After a little while, I uncover the pot, and the first thing that greets me is the aroma, deep, warm, full of spice and comfort. I give everything a gentle mix, slowly moving the potatoes and chicken around, so nothing breaks and every piece stays tender. You can feel how soft the chicken has become. So tender that it almost falls off the bone with the spoon. The potatoes have absorbed all those juices. The butter, the spices, the soy sauce, the garlic. Each slice is packed with flavor from the inside out. To finish, I chop some fresh green onions and add them right on top. One last mix. This gives the dish color, freshness, and the perfect final touch. And just like that, we're ready to serve. A simple, comforting meal full of warmth, spice, and pure flavor. Enjoy. And let me know in the comments how you make your chicken drumsticks at home. Every time I post a recipe, it travels somewhere new. So tell me, which country are you watching from? I love seeing how far this little kitchen reaches. From my kitchen to yours. See you next time.